Using data filters is a very powerful way to manage your existing Salesforce data. To see it in action, I'm going to go ahead and load an opportunity template. And I'm going to click on Edit Filter. In this case, you can see I've created a rule to only bring in opportunities where the stage is not equal to close lost or close won, and where the opportunity owner is equal to Justine Berto. So I'll go ahead and click on Save. Now I'll move on to Download. This is going to make a call out to Salesforce, and it identified 40 opportunities that met that criteria. This is critical because you don't want to bring in all 1,000, 10,000, million opportunities that are in your account. So at this point now, I can start modifying my data. So I know that these are going to push out to at least December 15th, 2017. So I'm just going to copy this and use the power of Excel to bring it all the way to the bottom of my table. And I'm also going to change the opportunity owner for several of these. So I'm just going to change the opportunity owner for the first 8 rows here. And now I'm going to go ahead and push this data back up to Salesforce. I'm going to go ahead and click on Update. I'll choose All Rows. And just like that, all 40 opportunities now have a new close date of December 15th, and 8 of them now have a new opportunity owner of Chris Corcoran. It's as easy as that.